you want to play A, and I am going to teach you right now. Before we start, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Really, really simple stuff. So I was teaching you about G, D, okay, now, and also C as well, and now we're going to go to A. So all I have to do is put on the second fret, okay, very important, the second fret, I'm going to put one finger right here, okay, right here on the third string, middle finger on the fourth, then on the fifth, all cramped in to that second fret. Let it ring out. A. Okay. Now, not what a lot of people don't realize is that you can actually play A also by doing this. Lift your middle finger. Oops. I'm going to do that again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. How I'm doing that is, all I'm doing is lifting the middle finger. Once you're able to play guitar nice and cleanly, and you're kind of comfortable, you know, doing guitar or whatever, playing guitar, then you can just lift the middle finger. Okay, and you can have that nice sound from playing those. They're two different chords, but they're still A. Okay. So those are two ways to play A. Now, there are many ways to play G, like I was saying before. This is number one. Put both fingers right there. And then also the one with two fingers on the bottom, and you have a G chord right here. So 2 fingers out, then 2 fingers on. Same thing with A. Okay, so those are two ways of how to play A. Now, there's also another way to play it where you put ring finger, or I should say index finger right there on the very bottom, okay? And then, actually it's the second to last, I apologize, and then your index finger and middle finger. This kind of sounds like Wild Horses from the Rolling Stones a little bit, because that is one of the chords in Wild Horses. So you're you know, very close to starting to play songs here if you know 2, 3 of those chords. So those are 3 ways now to play an A. That was an A minor that I just showed you. So now the question is, well, when do I utilize those chords? Okay, well, obviously you'll know once you start playing songs. So they're very different. They're very, very different. Very different sounding, but you'll get used to the sound. So those are a couple ways to do it. And just get going. Those are very, very easy. You just have to start from somewhere. And what you can do too is kind of go from A. Sorry, let me try that one more time. From A to A minor, and then back to A. And then you can do the like, you know, that's a version of a G chord. A version of a C chord without your top 2 fingers, because I know it's going to be really difficult to get all 4 fingers on the fretboard all at once when you're trying to transition from G. You just want to make it sound like music. I understand when you're first starting to learn guitar, you just want to make it sound okay. So they just don't worry about it. Just go from chord to chord when you're sitting on the couch, just chilling, you know, and you'll be fine. You'll be okay. And so remember to subscribe. Next, we're going to be learning some of the E chords, and they're pretty simple. They're very, very simple. So don't go anywhere. Subscribe to the channel.